How do you deal with news? How do you see news as an opportunity, not as a problem? Not everything that can go against you is a risk. If you're looking at reasons to not take a trade, what this suggests is that you don't appreciate risk from the perspective of the opportunity that is also there. 0.034%. That's the probability that in any one given minute, a piece of news is going to come out and go against your trade. Yeah, I hear this all the time. We've just finished a recent training program and I still hear this from people. I don't want to get in a trade because news could come out and it could go against me. But that's the probability that that's going to happen. What you've got to remember is part of that probability is the fact that if news does come out, it doesn't have to go against you. There's just as much chance, in fact, it's 50-50. If news hits, it could be in your favor. And that's one of the things that is so crucial when we're looking at taking on any kind of traders is the willingness to take risk. You can't worry about things that you have no control over. Yes, there could be news. Yes, it could go against you. What are you going to do about it? That's the bigger question you need to ask yourself. How are you going to deal with that? And the simple answer is, well, you have a stop in. That's one of the key parts to it. Anybody who doesn't have a stop is going to be in trouble. So you can have a stop in on your trade. That's the first thing. But one of the other things to think about here is if news is going to go against you, this could still have a positive result. You can look at news, and this is one of the things we spend so much time training people on. If you want to know more about training, click on the link below. Is how do you deal with news? How do you see news as an opportunity, not as a problem, not as a risk? Because not everything that can go against you is a risk. It can still be an opportunity. And the thing with, say, news, to take a real extreme example, the suggestion that the US and Iran were in talks that we had last Monday, this was a huge piece of news and you could well have been in position the wrong way on this piece of news. Could you make something off this? Yes, absolutely. You could have got out. Yes, you're going to take a loss on that. I'm not going to pretend that you're not going to take a loss. But can you view this as an opportunity and flip your position over? Yes, absolutely. And this is what you want to see from a trader. Someone who's not going to look at things as a possible reason to not take a trade. If you're looking at reasons to not take a trade, what this suggests is that you don't appreciate risk from the perspective of the opportunity that is also there. If you just see risk as a problem, if you just see risk as something to be minimized in terms of ticks, in terms of P&L, then you're looking at it the wrong way. You're always going to have to take a risk whenever you put on any trade. And whether that's putting on a technical trade and you fear the fact that news could come out, like I said, the probability of it going against you on any given minute is tiny. It's about looking at this and thinking, yes, I could take a risk, but the risk offers me X payout. And that's the thing that you're interested in. This is one of the key things that we look for in any trader that we take on. And for any traders that we will be taking on in future, their appetite for risk, their ability to appreciate that something is an opportunity rather than a situation that could go wrong for them is absolutely crucial. So something that you want to start doing is looking at news, looking at how frequently it does happen, and then also asking yourself, well, how could I make the most of this? How could I turn this perceived risk into an opportunity? Just because the market moves a long way in a short period of time, that's as much an opportunity as it is a risk. In fact, particularly with news, these are some of the times where you can be most sure on what's going to happen. The news that we had that there were talks, and this coming from Donald Trump, there were talks between the US and Iran. You could have had this planned for weeks as to what exactly the result of that kind of comment would be. And so then this is an opportunity. It's a situation where in a specific moment in time, you are pretty much told where certain markets should go directionally. That's an opportunity. And one of the things that you should be looking at is rather than fearing that as a risk, viewing that as an opportunity and asking yourself, how can you participate in that? How can you make the most of that? We do a lot of training on this. It's one of the sort of key skill sets that most of our traders come through with. It's a key area that most traders do perform very, very well on. And so it's a key skill set that we teach. If you want to know more about that, click on the link below. We're going to be introducing a new course coming very, very soon. So eyes open on that. Link below, click subscribe as well, and I will see you all very soon.